You're watching Property It's Hot with me, Radhika. Continuing with our special series on the Dwarka Expressway, Gurgaon's rapidly developing residential belt, we bring you 4 noteworthy projects from this market. But first, let's get you an update on this micro market. As ground development picks up pace, the booming real estate market along this growth corridor seems to be gaining speed. We bring you the latest on this real estate hotspot that is fast emerging as the best alternate to Gurgaon's Golf Course Road.
The mood is upbeat and the buzz is back in one of NCR's fastest growing realty hotspots along the Dwarka Expressway. The recent news of High Court of Punjab and Haryana vacating the stay and clearing the roadblock for construction of the remaining 2.5-kilometer stretch of the 18-kilometer Dwarka Expressway has come as a big relief for developers, investors and home buyers. It's now just a matter of time when this entire stretch would seamlessly connect you to Delhi and NH8. Starting from sectors 111, 110A, 112, 113, the Dwarka Expressway runs through sectors 99, 99A, 100 and then converges with the NH8 close to Manesar, where it also connects sectors 81 to 95 of the new Gurgaon region.
The average travel time from these complexes to Delhi would be not more than 15 minutes. They would have all social infrastructure in times to come. They'd have schools, they'd have offices, shopping malls, just about everything, hospitals, healthcare. Not only that, Dwarka Expressway would also have a very good access to Gurgaon, new and old.
As the infrastructure gets ready, a new modern, well-planned destination is already in the making along the route of the Dwarka Expressway. There are options from among 37 real estate brands like DLF, Vatika Group, SS Group, Bestech, Sare Homes to name a few. Developing about 88 projects in sectors 81 to 95 in New Gurgaon or Gurgaon side of Dwarka Expressway. On the Delhi side of Dwarka Expressway, covering sectors 99 to 115, there are as many as 46 developers offering 91 residential projects from brands like ATS Group, Puri Constructions, Sobha Group and Raheja Developers.
Dwarka Expressway is going to be a conduit for a lot of commuters from Delhi to Gurgaon. There's going to be another way media after NH8 and MG Road. So that will help all the projects which are in close vicinity of Dwarka Expressway are going to get a big boost.
The Dwarka Expressway residential belt is being seen as an alternative to the Golf Course Road and the Sona Road, and developers have master planned their projects to offer world-class amenities to the home buyer.
The density in this region is less than a third of what is happening in many places in NCR. So that means that we are going to have more amenities per person, we are going to have wider roads, we are going to have more parks per person, more schools, more hospitals. Everything is going to be available in abundance.
In terms of investments, this market has also given stunning returns. In New Gurgaon, the weighted average price rose from 14.4% in the second half of 2012 to 32.5% in second half of 2014. On the Delhi side of the Dwarka Expressway, the weighted average price grew from 13.1% in the second half of 2012 to 29.4% in the second half of 2014.
This is Dwarka Expressway. I mean, location, it is connected to Delhi, it is connected to Dwarka, it is connected to West Delhi, and once that Barapola is connected, it is connected to Ghaziabad and Noida. So perfect location. Also the infrastructure. The infrastructure, it is future ready.
Home seekers and investors will be spoiled for choice here as a diverse mix of residential concepts from villas, luxury apartments, golf-themed homes are available here.